As I stated before, you see the light on, oil change as it says, and boom. So I'm going ahead and all right, so I'm about to change the oil right now. Basically it's a weird way that they had this lever. See what I'm saying? So about to show y'all this real quick. See that? That's the oil lever. You pull with that. It's not a normal filter. You just pull up and lift back on the tab. About to show ya. Hey. So I got my oil pan, and as I said, we're gonna lift up. And as you see, liquid gold flows. Ahoy, there she blows. I don't know why it's dripping out slow, but usually this black tarp be catching it and it starts spraying everywhere. But we'll take a slow drip. As y'all see, I done drained all the oil, pulled the oil pan out. Now we're about to hit the oil filter, which is this right here. 1/2 inch socket. It's a 24 socket with a 1/2 inch racket. See if I can set this up right here. Hopefully y'all can see me. I don't know if y'all can see it, but oil filter. And it's a little O-ring on here too. Definitely replace that as well. Got the old one. I went with the STP. Part number is S11665XL. STP, high mileage, full synthetic, because we know I do a lot of driving. I think it takes 6 quarts for sure, maybe 7. Damn, I thought it screwed it all the way. Just there it go, pop out. A little force. And inside, I ain't even got my glove. Inside you got the new filter, new O-ring. Take a little, you could do it with a flathead and get this off. You definitely want to replace it, even though it's not bad. You want to replace it, trust me. You will have an oil leak if you don't. I don't know why, but y'all know me, I try firsthand, and I find out the hard way. How they say it, fuck around and find out. Yeah. Shit gonna stain my hands though. Use a little of this like that. You know what I mean? Just a little oil. You can poke
what's this? 1 quart. Pour a little on your hand. Grease it up. Then throw it on. Slide it down. Remember where you got it from. Put the new one in, like so. There's only one way it really go. You can just hear it snap. Hand tighten it. Put this one, just put the old one in there with the old O-ring. You know, clean as you go type shit. All right. Bada boom, bada bing. Go wipe this off. When I went into the trunk, I still got the battery disconnected, so I can't even pop the trunk to get to my rag. But you know, you got the oil filter. I'm gonna start with the 1 quart. Make sure I ain't got no oil leaks. And if I do, then I go back and adjust it. So I went with the STP. It's full synthetic, high mileage. Nothing leaking up top from the oil filter. So I'm gonna continue my journey. Like I said, I went with this one brand because it's cheaper. You already see I done took so many hits this week when it came to money. That one didn't even have a tab on it. I wonder if it was open. We're gonna pour the old oil in here using that same funnel. Throw this shit away. All right, cool. Cover. So now we inside, we got everything on. We're gonna hit the on button to on, but we don't hit the gas, right? So we go 1, 2, 3. So now we hit the 1, 2, 3, and then boom, oil life reset to 100. So now we can do that. Should. So yo, on the find it is back here. That's bank 2, I believe, and then this bank 1 right there in the front. So I already got the little screw out, and I just gotta screw this out, twist it. As you see, I got the old one out. It was kind of tough. You remember I dropped my phone and everything. Hopefully, I ain't break no fragments or nothing in there. But yeah, we about to put the new one in. As you see, we got the side-by-side comparison. This is the new one. That's the old one. And I want to focus on me, or bent. I'm not sure if I bent it because I used a hammer to get it out, or if that's why my check engine light was on. So now, putting a new one in that hole. Let's see if I can. Damn sure ain't trying to drop that one. So it was a twist out and pull in, but I got the new one in. I'm using just an Allen key to tighten that screw. Tighten that screw in. So I have the new one in. Had the bolt tightened down. You know, we in there, and let's hope it fixes my problem. Plug this connector back up. You heard it click. All right, so now everything's done. We about to hit this, do that. Y'all see it, check engine light out. I need to go get me some gas real quick. But yeah, check engine light.